Whoa. The Great Glacier is one of Chile's main natural attractions. Cruises regularly take tourists there to see the ancient ice and to watch as massive chunks break off and crash into the water.
Okay. Jesus, na. Okay, es gibt einen riesen Wetterknuss, Mann.
Kako nikoga krenula na mome, čovječe, sidi. Gole kad, ne potopljive ovo.
Clouds are called mammatus. The lower parts of these clouds form due to descending air currents.
Look at that.
Holy! Oh my God.
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa!
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
Back up!
No, the other way.
Jesus!
Jan, can you back us up, please?
Yeah.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Woo! Wow. Woo! Crazy, eh? Yeehaw! Yee! Good, eh? That's probably the best stampede that I had. Yeah. Wow. Woo!
Relentless rain in Southern California triggered multiple landslides that ended up blocking roads. A rooftop pool sounds like a dream until an earthquake hits.
โอ้ยแผ่นดินไหวเนี่ยโอ้โหน้ำกระจายเลยโอ้โหดูดิเฮ้ยโอ้โหน้ำกระจายเลยอะคิดว่าหน้ามืด
Pase.
It's really hot. Oh, I'm burning right now.
Oh, my battery's dying. Hi, guys. Are there 2 or 3 of them?
There's definitely 2.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Should we move? Oh God, he's on the boat. Okay, maybe we should move.
I know, I want to, but I don't want to turn the engine on right now.
Oh my God, babe. Whoa. Okay, we gotta get out of here.
This is what an alligator's mating call sounds like.
Wow. Saisi olla ihan hyvä vauhti, että pääsis tohon niinku aallon kyytiin.
In 2024, heavy rains triggered a huge landslide in Peru. The ground split into dozens of pieces, and the largest crack stretched for 2 kilometers.
Saan yung puwet ko?
Who still believes lightning never strikes the same place twice.
Oh, hey, ski. It's okay, buddy.
Unusual weather conditions and light refraction caused a rare natural phenomenon in China: rainbow clouds. Witnesses said they look like a dragon's head and a phoenix's tail.
哇，你龍牙好有冇得嘅話？我係想講嘢好領啊！我個正真係風啊，冇啊！有風，頭先那個龍嗰個風啊！哇，就這樣領啊！啊！就一套喺上，我一套冇用佢哋。哦，就得啦。
Work was being done near a flooded quarry, but no one took soil erosion into account, and all of its contents burst out in a powerful surge. In 2019, a massive tornado rose over a rural area in Romania. The powerful air current sent huge clouds of dust hundreds of meters into the sky.
Mamă, ești nebun, trec la 30 de metri, tăia. Mamă, uite cum arată cerul. Ce vorbești? Mamă, frate.
On va sortir où là?
Oh yeah! Film!
Hawaii residents sometimes get the chance to watch lava flows right from their own backyard. That's exactly what happened to the person who filmed this video.
Wow! No way, dude. This is like 30 yards away from me.
The person filming this video had to escape an oncoming avalanche. There wasn't enough time to get down, so they had to wait it out right there.
Are you okay? Oh. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Oh, look at it. Look at the top. Oh my God.
In 2018, a massive hill collapsed in Puerto Rico after a landslide. Even though there were houses nearby, none of the residents were injured or trapped. This is where lava from the Kilauea volcano meets the ocean.
Also very impressive, but nothing quite like this. I didn't pretty much.
In March 2025, thousands of sardines washed up on a beach in India. Scientists said the rare phenomenon was caused by a change in water temperature. These worms are fungus gnat larvae. When food runs low, they bunch up like this to search for more.
German industrial city. The RAF says daylight bombing raids were suicide, but General Ira Aker of the 8th Army Air Force said they had to be done to assure accuracy, to bring them out.
In 2011, Mount Shimoidake erupted in Japan. A column of smoke rose 2.5 kilometers into the sky. The filming point was 9 kilometers from the crater, but even from there, the scale was hard to grasp. This is where lava from the Kilauea volcano meets the ocean.
Also very impressive, but nothing quite like this. I didn't
In 2011, Mount Shimoidake erupted in Japan. A column of smoke rose 2.5 kilometers into the sky. The filming point was 9 kilometers from the crater, but even from there, the scale was hard to grasp.
German industrial city. The RAF says daylight bombing raids were suicide, but General Ira Aker of the 8th Army Air Force said they had to be done to assure accuracy, to bring them out.
你看，这怎么办？是不放心，有我在呢。你先
耶！
The person filming this video captured a chunk of the San Rafael Glacier breaking off in southern Chile. Unfortunately, over the past 150 years, it has shrunk a total of 12 kilometers, which comes out to about 100 meters each year.
Gigante.